I was talking with some colleagues this morning and reflecting on the fact that we're now about 7 months into COVID, and then paused to think that we might just be a third of the way through this. Many people are talking about another year, late summer, early fall, before we really get this under control. 7 months, it has been amazing what we have accomplished as a community. Instruction continues, students are thriving, yes, with some frustrations at times. Most of our research activities are back in play, not all, but most. Amazing accomplishments in 7 months. But to think of another year of this is enough to bring anybody down. So today I've got really 2 requests for all of us for the coming year. The first is, please take care of yourself. We all have been running very hard just to keep the place moving ahead as we all want it to. But I also know that's in the face of families whose children are home with no school and they're running around, families who have health concerns, all kinds of stressors in addition to those that might be associated with work. I've tried for the last few weeks, months maybe, to take at least one day a weekend and do no email. And you know what? The sun came up the next morning and went down the next night. Amazing. And yeah, some people might have thought that the chancellor was slacking off, but it really didn't matter that much to most of the operation, and it mattered a bunch, I think, to me and to my wife. There are lots of things we can all do to take care of ourselves. Without you, the university is nothing. And if you go down, the university goes down. So please take care of yourself. That's my first request. Second request is watch out for your buddies. The extent to which we can all help each other during this time by simply randomly calling somebody up who you haven't talked to on campus for a while, because you used to see them at the hub, or you used to see them when you dropped off photocopying or something. Just call them up and say, hey, how's it going? I'm guessing you won't be able to see it unless you put it on FaceTime, but their face will light up. And help them through this by just reaching out and touching, and perhaps encouraging them to do what the chancellor suggests and take a little time for themselves. This could be a long slog. It's been a long slog, but it could be even longer. And we need to stay in there and stay fresh to get to the end. Thanks for everything you've done so far, and let's get to the end of this as soon as we can.